It's not tapping. It's mean your phone is broken. Go to buy another new phone.
Where are you from?
I'm America, but I'm born in China. So I'm basically our ABC, American, born Chinese.
You live in America right now?
Yes, you're about to sleep?
I can't sleep. Because I'm
Oh,
alone.
okay. Wait, what's your name again?
My name is Isa.
Isa?
What about you?
I'm Alexa. You have a nice name, by the way.
Thank you. What is your name, by the way?
Alexa.
That's pretty name. Like you. University or you work right now?
I'm in your mind and I'm in your heart.
Aduh, berasa kayak lagi selingkuh anjir sama masnya.
Jadi orang Indo, Mbak?
Iya, aku orang Indo.
Di prank.
Jam 4 belum tidur.
Oh, emang sana jam 4 ya? 4:30 sih.
4:30?
Soalnya aku lagi nggak di Indonesia.
Oh, kamu nggak lagi di Indonesia?
Nggak, lagi di Jepang.
Oh.
Lucu banget reaksi kagetnya. Baru ketemu YouTuber nih seumur hidup. Wow. Udah 1000 subscriber. Ya gak jadi pendukung nomor 1.
Suka. Aduh.
Suka apa? Suka gimana?
Suka. Oh, tidak.
Jadi gitu dong. Jadi ikut. Gimana?
Orang mana, Kak? Iya, orang Indo. Di mananya?
Sumatera.
Sumatera mana?
Sumatera Barat.
Padang.
Enggak.
Bukit Tinggi.
Enggak.
Payakumbuh.
Enggak.
Mas, senyum dikit lah, aku takut loh.
Aku juga punya, Bang.
What's your name?
It's Mary.
My name is Me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so if we combine our name together is Marry Me.
Oh, yeah, right. That's so sweet. You're welcome.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia, and you?
I'm from Korea.
Anyway, you look sweet.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Thank you so much. What are you doing here?
Just for fun.
Do you find any fun here?
No, not yet.
First time here?
No. You're so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
You make me melting.
I love your sunglasses and your t-shirt and your tattoos too.
Yeah, I have tattoo. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Like I should.
Yeah. You're so cute.
Oh my god. Stop compliment me. I will melting like for real, like ice cream.
Me too. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm crying.
Okay.
Actually, I'm a little bit drunk now.
How many bottles you drink, girls?
Not bottle. It's 3 cans.
3 can.
beer.
Anything happy to celebrate, or you just casually drinking a beer?
Not celebrating.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh my god, you look too cute when you're drunk.
No way.
It is.
Stop.
Yes, you are, girls.
Oh my god. I love you. I really love you.
I love you too. Oh. I'm not from China, bro. I'm from Indonesia.
You're not from China?
I'm from Indonesia.
How do you say I love you in Indonesia?
Aku
Aku,
cinta,
Nika,
cinta,
Inta, aku,
cinta.
Inta,
Last.
Kamu
That's kamu?
Bukan.
No, sorry.
Okay, how
Kamu.
do you say I love you too?
Aku
Aku
cinta
indah.
kamu.
Aku indah kamu.
Cin.
Aku indah kami.
No, kamu.
Aku cinta kamu.
Indah kamu. I got it right.
Yeah. Because you say it right, I give you this.
I give it.
A reward.
Bro, reward for you nah.
1, 2, 3, this out for
Your phone is broke. I already pressed the button. Your phone is not tapping. It's mean your phone is broken. Go to buy another new phone.
Okay, I have another one. I have 2 phones.
Are you Japanese?
No, I'm not. And you?
I'm Japanese.
What's your name?
My name is Soshi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Alexa.
Where are you originated from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Ah, I see.
Sorry, but I have to ask you a question.
Yes.
So this is your bed and this is your pillow. Why you sleeping on your bed, not your pillow?
Yeah, it's yeah,
Oh, okay.
usually.
Oh, okay.
Usually, it's nice. Wood sound.
Oh, it's nice to lay your head at your bed.
Yes.
So what are you doing
It's,
here?
and came back to home. I was drunk, but I didn't sleep. I want to use home TV.
Oh.
Not talking to stranger.
How is it the experience? Nice?
Yes.
Aduh, manisnya mampus aku.
Yeah.
Okay,
How about
that's
you?
good. You drinking celebrate something or just drinking casually?
I just drank already. So are you? How old are you?
How live?
No. How old are you?
Oh, 22. You?
Oh, 22. I'm 28.
What?
Yeah.
I think you're 24.
Oh, really? Am I look younger?
Yeah, you look young.
Okay, I'm 24. Just kidding.
So which city you live? Tokyo or Osaka or?
I live in Tokyo.
Oh,
Yes. Big city.
Tokyo is my dream.
Your dream?
yeah. I wish I can go to Japan one day.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you stay here. You stay in my house. I have to join the Airbnb, my house.
Oh, sure. You.
Can be my landlord.
I rent a house from
Yes.
you.
Yeah.
Wee, nice.
Yeah.
You.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I have a house in here. Few.
Bukan bang, maksudnya, sorry,
What I mean is you
What?
you have a flu. Aduh, gimana sih? You have a flu like very cold. Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, ya udah lah.
no, forget it, forget.
Okay.
Okay.
Aduh, Mr. Sosi, aku skip guys.